Every great school needs great leadership, and every so often that leadership comes in a slightly smaller size. Meet Allan, our new head of junior school for the day. Chosen through our HPA Summer Ball charity auction, Allan stepped up to the role with confidence, charm, and most importantly, an official badge. Because it's not real leadership without one. The morning began in true executive style. A high-level meeting with our headmaster for the day, Aidan. The pair of them laid out a detailed review of the daily schedule. They also received their very special Head for the Day goodie bags, packed full of equipment that was essential for their success for the day. Once the serious matters were settled, it was time for breakfast with the teachers, because even the busiest heads know no decision should be made on an empty stomach. Allan also got to appreciate some very special and important parts of the role, eating copious amounts of cake to fuel his imagination and his creativity. Next up, assemblies. Allan and I celebrated our Learners of the Week, handing out certificates with the confidence of a seasoned pro. It's safe to say that he took to public life rather well, though he may have enjoyed the applause a little bit too much. During the day, there were also some other important events ongoing around school, giving us a precious and a wonderful opportunity to develop our relationships with our parent community and, of course, to inspect the school building. Then came a vital part of any leader's job, staff appreciation. Together, for Teachers' Day, we distributed sweet treats to the staff across the junior school. Morale soared instantly. Who knew that a cake pop could achieve what a staff meeting sometimes can't? Of course, leadership isn't all assemblies and sugar. There's serious work to be done. We headed to the junior school head's office to inspect the HOP programme, more commonly known as our Playground Development Project. This helped explain the messy tyres in the office and gave us an opportunity to talk a little bit more about the resources that we would like to see on the playground in the future. We made a few key decisions, and let's just say that Allan's ideas were refreshingly ambitious. I'm not entirely sure that we can fit a full roller coaster next to year one, but we'll take it under advisement. By the end of the day, Allan had earned his title in full. He led assemblies, boosted staff morale, and reimagined our playground. Not bad for a first day on the job. Well done, Allan, our head of junior school for the day, and possibly their future head of Haileybury Almaty.